Are you guys in the market to find a really simple, inexpensive, delicious meal for your family? I'm feeding a family of 5. If this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to be making a chicken pie. It takes all of 4 ingredients, and then I'll just show you one bonus ingredient that I make it that just kicks it up a notch. You literally just need 4 ingredients. And that using the pie shell that's frozen works better. It's a bit more sweet, but then I use this pie shell for the top of the chicken pie, and then I use cream of chicken. This is for my lazy days. I use the canned chicken breast here, which looks like this. Usually I prepare my chicken, but this is how the canned chicken looks, and it works really, really well if you're a bit nervous about prepping your own chicken. And mixed veggies. I find that the bird's eye mixed vegetables works the best. And I kind of take some of the green beans out. Alright, let's get started. It's super simple with not even that many ingredients. This is the pie shell here. But starting off, what I go ahead and do is I get a large mixing bowl, and I just throw my cream of chicken and all of my mixed veggies. So I'll go in and grab my mixed veggies. We'll use 2 bags of the mixed veggies. Of the bird's eye, or you could just use 1 family size, which is a 24 ounce. This just may have a tad bit, a little bit too many vegetables, but you just eye it and put as many as you would like. Out of the 2 cans of chicken, I do like the Tyson brand a little better than the Swanson brand, okay? But either one, they're both premium chicken, unless you prepare your own chicken breast. Okay, so at this point left in there, but I just take a spoon and just scoop out some of the green beans. With our mixed veggies, we go ahead and add in the 2 cans of cream of chicken. Into the 2 cans of cream of chicken, we go ahead and add in as much chicken as you would like. I go ahead and add just a little bit, and I'll add it in as I get the mixing. I like using this type of mixing tool to it just makes it easier, especially when it's time to scoop it into the pie shell. So I just get it all mixed up, and at this point, this is where I like to add that one little extra ingredient, and I believe that it makes a huge difference. Now this is a German item, but it's just like a heavy cream, and I just add just a little dash of it just to give it a little bit of sweetness. So it just helps, and it helps blend all the items together. And once you get it blended, you don't want to over blend it because all of this stuff is already cooked. We just want to mix it well. And I did go ahead and prepare the vegetables because they were in this bag. I went on and steamed them just to get them cooked, and then I'll go ahead and put them in the microwave. You just follow the directions on the back. Okay? And a little bit more chicken. Just go ahead and add it. So I did end up using 2 12.5 can chicken. 2 cream of chickens, and about 24 ounces, about 20 ounces to 24 ounces of mixed veggies. This looks about right. This is going to be a little bit extra left over because it is so much for this one little pie shell, and you can even probably potentially use both pie shells if you wanted to for this mixture, because it is quite a bit. But go ahead and just scoop it out. You can get 2. Or you can even freeze one as well for the upcoming work week and all that good stuff. Okay, once you unroll your pie shell, and just lay it on the top. Press down. And then this is where you kind of lose a bit of this pie shell here. We're just going to trim off the excess. Okay, that's how this is how our chicken pot pie should look at this point. We just go ahead and take a fork. So helps the stuffing to stay inside the shell as well. Just for safety, I just go ahead and put this in. It doesn't matter what type of baking sheet you add this into. I just like to add a little foil just to help with cleanup. And then this goes into the oven. Now, based on your oven, this is where it's going to determine. I will say follow the pie shell directions, but because I'm cooking on a Celsius in a German oven, I'm going to cook it on about 190 Celsius, 375. So it's going to depends on your oven, and I would just watch it, and it'll take about anywhere from about 18 to like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Just gotta gear it. And when it's golden brown, it's ready. Okay, this is straight out the oven. I'm just gonna let it cool down, and then we will cut into it. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share with your friends. I just love making simple, inexpensive, delicious meals for my family, especially when I'm in declutter mode. I'm here cleaning. I just want to pop in a super easy recipe, and again, that's inexpensive. That's the key, because I want to spend my money on other things than on food that people are not going to even eat. So make it delicious. All right, thank you guys so much for watching and rocking out with me on this Cook With Me. I will bring you more. I love simple meals and delicious meals. Bye for now.